What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 0x8004de40 when signing in to OneDrive. So let's get started. So first off, click on the Windows plus R key to open this small window run pop-up, and then here type in inetcpl.cpl. After typing, hit enter or OK. A new pop-up will open wherein click on the advanced section, and under the advanced section scroll down till the end and make sure that this use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1, and use TLS 1.2 are turned on. And when this is done, you need to come under the connection section, and then in the connection section, you need to go to the LAN settings at the bottom, and you need to see that this automatically detect settings has been checked, and this proxy server, if you want, you can also check this. After that, when you're done, click OK and then click on apply, and then this will solve your error and it will fix this 0x8004de40 error when you sign in on OneDrive. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.